everybody, just got back from the pool. I wanted to show you my new Fliptop workspace. There's a lot of them on YouTube, but I just kind of wanted to show you mine. Welcome to him and I. We have switched from BRC boards to him and I. It was a decision made from doing a lot of other stuff other than making skateboards. So we're still going to be making skateboards, but we also make cool stuff like this that I wanted to show you. So pull the pin. Replace the pin. Now I got my sander. Fantastic idea. I just want to thank everybody else on YouTube that helped me get this thing. I was watching tons of videos on it, and just if you guys want me to do a build video on something like this, let me know in the comments below. But I just wanted to show you. So, worktop. And if you can see, right below there is my planer. Got a stopper right here, keeps it from moving. And then this whips up to be tight, just so everything works the way it's supposed to. And then plug back in, and I'm going to do that. But that is the setup for this thing, and this is my planer.